Hello guys, welcome back to my channel to the another videos. So, how is electricity current produced? Have you ever wondered how electricity current is actually produced? Let's break it down in a simple and easy to understand way. First, what is electricity? Electricity current is the flow of tiny particle called electrons through a conductor like a copper wire, just like water flow through a pipe. Electrons flow through wires, they given a push. Second, the push voltage. To make electrons move, we need a push. This push is called voltage or potential difference. Think of it like pressure in a water pipe. More pressure means faster water flow. Similarly, more voltage means stronger current. Third, the source of current. Now where does this push come from? It's come from a power source which is a battery which convert chemical energy into electricity energy, generator which convert mechanical energy into electrical energy, solar cell which convert sunlight into electricity. The sources provide the voltage needed to start the flow of electrons. Fourth, the need for a closed circuit. For current to flow, the circuit must be closed. That means the path must be complete so that electrons can return to the source. If the path is broken, the current stops. Fifth, conductors and insulators. Electrons can only flow easily through conductors such as copper and aluminum. Materials like rubber, plastic and woods are insulators. They block the flow of electricity. Let's understand with an example. Imagine you connected a bulb to a battery using wire. When you turn to switch on, the battery pushes electrons through the wires. The electrons travel into the bulb, heat up the filament inside the produce light. That flowing electricity, this is called electric current. Thank you guys. Bye bye.